totally on Mr. Bryant's part with regard to what he should and should not have been doing about this case. And Judge, I am just asking the court to give Mr. Bryant the opportunity to come into compliance.
He already told Ms. McCall that he wasn't going to do it. Why would I give him a chance to do it? He was clear in his words and very rude and disrespectful in his language. It just seemed to me that anybody with half an ounce of decency wouldn't curse out the probation officer, let alone a man cursing out the female probation officer. It's just some stuff that's just rude and disrespectful on any level, let alone talking about being in court, let alone talking about someone calling you in their professional capacity, someone who didn't order him to do any of the things that he was ordered to do, yet Miss McCall had to be subject to rudeness and cursing and all of that. No, he is clear. And based upon what I read in the report, he maybe he feel like, this little bit of something, if he would have let us help him, maybe he wouldn't be facing these other charges. And of course, the other charges are charges, and I'm clear about that. Those other charges are charges, and he is innocent until proven guilty. And I am a staunch believer in that. But what I'm saying to you is it's so rude and disrespectful. And if I was Miss McCall, I probably would have lost my job because they would have heard me cursing back at him probably. No, they probably wouldn't have. They might have heard me saying some stuff at him, no, because this is rude and this is disrespectful and this is unnecessary. And Miss McCall, she didn't wake up in the morning, can go to work and say, "Oh, let me call my probationers so they can curse me out." That's so disrespectful. Ms. Stevenson.
Thank you, Judge. And instantly, I went all over that with Mr. Bryant when the court let me talk with him on the phone just a few minutes ago. And instantly, once the court made its position clear, instantly, Mr. Bryant adjusted his behavior. I make no excuses for the conversation that Mr. Bryant had with Ms. McCall. I believe it happened, and I don't make any excuses for it. But I do believe that the conditions of probation that have been set forth by this court could do nothing but benefit Mr. Bryant and this community if he were to take advantage of that. So I'm going to ask the court to give him an opportunity to do that. I think Mr. Bryant, he clearly understands, and he's demonstrated by his adjustment and his behavior what happens if he doesn't follow court orders. Well, and I think it's good that he came to court in person rather than, having to